Kadena is worth 125% more than last year. ApeCoin of the Kadena blockchain ranks at number 106 in the cryptocurrency market. Despite the ranking, it is among those cryptocurrencies that have the potential as well as innovative qualities to succeed. And that is why we decided to do a price prediction video of Kadena for you guys. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Following our regular format, we will cover 4 main topics. Number 1, what is Kadena and what is its current worth? Number 2, why is Kadena a good investment? Number 3, Kadena Price Prediction 2023. Number 4, long-term Kadena Price Prediction. Number 1, what is Kadena and what is its current worth? Just like every time, you must understand the crypto history as well as its current worth if you want to estimate its future. So let's take a look at what Kadena is and what makes it a possible investment option for you. Kadena is a public blockchain which makes the blockchain work for everyone. It focuses on scalability and building a developer-friendly public blockchain. Another key feature is that it implements a new smart contract language known as Pact. This language already has upgradable smart contracts and formal verification. It operates on a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, also known as the chain web, which provides security along with throughput. Kadena's smart contract language, Pact, covers everything Solidity lacks. If you didn't know, Solidity is a smart contract language used by many blockchains, including the Ethereum blockchain. In addition to a public blockchain, Kadena also created a private blockchain called Kadena Kuro. These private and public blockchain networks could be used together to gain a faster transaction rate and processing. KDA is the token used as a fee paid by users to get their transactions included in a block in the Kadena blockchain. Kadena is very similar to Ethereum, and KDA is of Kadena what ETH is of Ethereum. As of this time of the video being made, Kadena stands at a price level of $1.55 and has a market cap of $307,442,219 and a 24-hour trading volume of $7,956,123. It has a total supply of 1 billion and a circulating supply of 198 million tokens. Number 2, why is Kadena a good investment? Here are some of the key features that make Kadena a good investment option. Kadena claims to handle 500,000 transactions per second, which is quite impressive. With the chain web, it has a high enough transaction speed, and it doesn't need a second layer scaling as we see on Ethereum. It provides virtually free gas. It delivers security to Bitcoin. It has a better smart contract language known as the Pact. Number 3, Kadena Price Prediction for 2023. When we talk about the price prediction of Kadena, we get struck with controversy. Some say that it's a one-year investment, while others are keen to believe that it has a long-term investment potential. According to our expert analysis on this matter, Kadena is predicted to reach a maximum of $11.06 with an average price level of $9.34. According to the Kadena forecast, it has the potential to be a good investment only if we invest at the price level it is currently at. Number 4, long-term Kadena forecast. If we talk about the long-term price predictions of Kadena, they are not impressively increasing, but they are constantly taking height. You probably won't suffer a loss if you follow the 25-75 rule. It's predicted that by the end of 2025, Kadena will trade at an average price level of $13.63 with a possible high of $14.54. According to these predictions, Kadena is a good investment, so you don't want to miss out on it. That was it for today's video. Also check out our video on the price prediction of the Shiba Inu coin. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos just like this one.